Good morning, my YouTube family. I am Shashi sir, director of Fluent Smart Class, and today in this video, some of my students will come here and they will give their introduction. They will not only give their introduction, but some of my students will also talk about their daily routine. So at first, I would like to call Dheeraj. Dheeraj, please come here.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this wonderful opportunity.
Come, Dheeraj.
शिक्षा से ही जीवन की प्रगति होती है। शिक्षा के बिना मनुष्य की जीवन की दुर्गति होती है। Good morning to all of you. I am Dheeraj Kumar. I live at Delhi Mode, Darbhanga. If I talk about my educational qualification, then I must say that I completed my 10th from a BIHAR board with 65% of mark 2021 and 12th with 75% of mark 2023. At present, I am pursuing my graduation in BCA from MLSM College, Darbhanga. As far as my aim is concerned, then I want to become a successful web designer in my future. If I talk about my family, then Mr. Ramskit Yadav is my father and he is a businessman. My mother is a housewife. We are total 4 siblings in my family, including me. This was all about me. Thank you.
You have given a wonderful introduction.
Thank you.
The mic. Okay, good.
Thank
good,
you.
good. Come. So this was Dheeraj. Now it's time to call Sonu. Sonu, please come here and give your introduction to my YouTube family.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this wonderful opportunity.
Come.
असफलता एक चुनौती है, स्वीकार करो। क्या कमी रह गई देखो और सुधार करो। जब तक न सफल हो नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम। जब तक न सफल हो नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम। संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़ मत भागो तुम। कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती। कोशिश करने वालों को कभी हार नहीं होती। हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम सोनू कुमार and I belong from Nazira Mamda. At present, I am living at BIHAR Chowk, Darbhanga. If I talk about my education qualification, then I must say that I completed my 10th from BIHAR board with 63% of mark in 2020 and 12th with 53% of mark in 2022. At present, I am pursuing my graduation from JN College in mathematics honors. As far as my aim is concerned, then I want to become a successful IAS officer in my future. If I talk about my hobbies, I like to play cricket and listen to music. If I talk about my family, then Mr. Ramvilas Das is my father. He is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. We are total 4 siblings in my family, including me. That's it. This was all about me. Thank you.
Very good. You have given a wonderful introduction.
Thank you, sir.
Please come. So this was Sonu. So my students are doing well here. They are trying to say their introduction. These students are from BIHAR board. Some of are from CBSE, but my BIHAR board students are also doing well. So now I would like to call Dharmendra. Dharmendra, please come here. Now it's your turn. Please come.
सच्ची बातों को जान लेने का नाम ये ज्ञान है। जो अपनी मेहनत से कुछ कर दिखाए वही महान है। हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम धर्मेंद्र कुमार शर्मा। आई बिलोंग फ्रॉम हरियाली विलेज, हरियाली से at present I am living at Alapati, Darbhanga. If I talk about my education verification, then I said that I completed my 10th from BIHAR boards with 77 marks of 2021 and 12th with 79% of marks 2023. Right now I am pursuing my graduation in accounting from CM Science College. As far as my aim is I want to become a successful CA in my future. Let me inform about my hobbies now. I am fond listening music and playing cricket. If I talk about my family, then Mr. Ramprakash Sharma is my father. He is a carpenter and my mother is a housewife. There are total 4 siblings in my family, including me. That is it. This was all about me. Thank you.
Very good. Come. So this was Dharmendra. Dharmendra is a new student. He has joined this institution recently, so he is doing some mistake. So I hope from Dharmendra that he will learn very quickly. So now I would like to call my next student, Amir. Amir, please come here. Now it's your turn, and I hope that you will do well. Come here.
Thank you, sir, for giving me a wonderful opportunity. जरूरी नहीं रोशनी चिरागों से ही हो, जरूरी नहीं रोशनी चिरागों से ही हो, शिक्षा से भी घर रोशन होते हैं. Hello friends, I am Amir Hussain and I belong from Darbhanga. If I talk about my educational qualification, then I must say that I completed my 10th from CBSE board with 8.2 CGPA of marks in 2018. Then I completed my 12th from BIHAR board with 85% of marks in 2020. Right now, I am pursuing my graduation in accounting from Marwari College. Let me inform you about my hobbies now. I like to play badminton and listen music. As far as my aim is concerned, then I want to become a successful CEO in a private company in my future. If I talk about my family background, then Mr. Nasir Hussain is my father and he is a businessman, and my mother is a housewife. There are total 2 siblings in my family, including me. That's it. This was all about me. Thank you.
Very good, Amir. Very good. You have given a wonderful introduction. Come. This was Amir, and without delay, I want to call my another student whose name is Junior Sonu. Come here. So Junior Sonu, take this mic and give your introduction with full confidence. Take it.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this wonderful opportunity.
Come.
श्रद्धा ज्ञान देती है, नम्रता मान देती है. कि श्रद्धा ज्ञान देती है, नम्रता मान देती है, योग्यता स्थान देती है. अगर व्यक्ति को तीनों मिल जाए तो हर जगह सम्मान देती है. Good morning to everyone. I am Sonu Kumar and I belong village Kathal from Darbhanga. At present, I am living at Donar, Darbhanga. If I talk about my educational qualification, then I must say that I complete my 10th from BIHAR board with 2023 in 70% of mark. At present, I am pursuing my 12th from LCS college. As far as my aim is concerned, then I want to become a successful doctor in my future. Let me inform you about my hobby. I am fond of listening music, play cricket and reading books. My family background. If I talk about my family background, then Mr. Suresh Kumar Pandit is my father and he is government teacher. And my mother is housewife. We are total 4 siblings including me. That's it. This was all about me. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Very good. Come. You have to improve a little bit. Got it? You have to improve a little bit. So now I would like to call Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, please come. Now it's your turn, and I hope that you will give your introduction properly. Come here.
Thank you, sir, for granting me this golden opportunity. This is a fantastic chance for me to introduce myself. But before I introduce myself, I would like to say a few words. अशिक्षित को शिक्षा दो, अज्ञानी को ज्ञान. शिक्षा से ही बन सकता है भारत देश महान. Hello viewers, my name is Vaishnavi and I belong from Darbhanga, Bihar. If I talk about my educational qualification, I have completed my 10th from Holy Cross School in 2021 with 84.4% of marks and 12th from Angel High School in 2023. Right now, I am going to pursue BTech in Computer Science. Let me talk about my hobbies now. I am very much fond of listening music, singing, capturing photos, etc. As far as my aim is concerned, then I want to become a successful engineer in my future. If I talk about my family background, Mr. Sanjeev Kumar is my father and he is a businessman and my mother is housewife. We are total 2 siblings in my family including me. That's it. This is all about me. Thank you.
Very good, very good, very good. You have given a wonderful introduction. So, my other students, please listen her carefully and try to speak like her. Got it? So, the introduction session has ended. Now, my students will come here one by one and they will talk about their daily routine. So,